Hey guys, are you looking for an easy way to try to a comment on Instagram with Reels? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the step of creating and sharing a Reel in response to a comment on your post. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, we will simply open up the Instagram mobile application. After that, you simply have to find the comment which you want to reply. So in order to do that, I'm simply going to tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then I'll simply go to the Reels tab. I'm just going to reply to a comment on this Reel to show you as an example. So once I have find the comment, I will simply tap on where it says reply. So now as you guys can see that it will give me a pop-up to reply with the Reel. So you simply have to tap on try it. After that, as you guys can see that the comment has been appeared, and now you can simply create a Reel by using this comment. So go ahead and record your Reel. Once you are done, simply tap on next. And now as you guys can see that the Reel has been created and it has comment as well. Now you can add music, add text or sticker to customize your Reel. And after that, once you are done with all the customization, you simply have to tap on next and you have to post that. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.